What's up guys, Tom Voyage here, welcome back to another pizza cooking video. Today we're going to be cooking on the OONI KODA 16. We're going to do a real-time cook on a pepperoni pizza. Let's go. So usually when I'm cooking on the KODA 16, I like to bring it up to temperature. It only takes about 20 minutes, but then I like to knock the flames back. Now I know traditionally a pizza should be cooked in 60 seconds, but I think they taste better when it takes a little bit longer on a slightly lower heat. So as you can see there, the crust is just puffing up at the back. As well, when you cook on a lower heat for longer, you tend to get a crispier crust. As you can see here, this crust is starting to crisp up. So now we're going to turn it round, rearrange our pepperoni that's flown everywhere, and put it back in. I like to keep a bit of distance from the flame as well. Again, in the spirit of slowing down that cooking process. I find if you get it too close to the flame, it just cooks too quickly and it burns, but it's still raw on the inside. I find that especially the case when you have a puffy crust like this. See what I mean? Look at these air bubbles that we're getting in here. It's a new type of flour we're using. It's a flour from Caputo that comes in the purple box, or the purple packet rather, and it's especially designed to give you a really puffy crust, so it's certainly doing its job. Wow, look at those air bubbles. It's crazy. I'm just going to bring that back a bit away from the heat. Okay, and there is our pizza. Now, as you can see, it's got a lovely puffy crust and it's got a crunch to it as well. I don't know if you can hear that. I'll bring it close to my mic. Now that crunchiness comes from leaving it in the pizza oven longer. It gives a really nice crunch, and if you check out the bottom as well, you'll see there's some nice leoparding colouring on the bottom there too. Right, I'm going inside. Whoa, nearly dropped it then. Going inside to eat this pizza now. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one for more pizza making videos.